Hello, Hannah.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Are you ready?
Yes,
Good. Let's. I hear the music, right? Oh, it's okay. Let's start with the book. Ready? Nice. Do you like the book four or green?
yes,
Which one do you like? Do you like four or green?
I like green.
Okay. Do you like the color green, Hannah?
Yes, I do.
Is your shirt green?
No,
So, Hannah, will you paint everything green?
no.
No, right? Okay, so I will share with you the green book. Okay, do you see it now?
Yes,
So, Hannah, where is the green frog?
green. Uh, the frog is green.
The frog is green, but where is it? Is it on the ball?
Mm, Green. The green frog on a green wall.
Good. It is on a green wall. Good. And where is the green dog?
A green dog on a green ball.
Very nice. Where is the green cow? Over here. Where is the green cow?
A green cow on a green farm.
And where is the green owl?
A green owl on a green barn.
Very good. So now, please sing the song Green.
Green, will you come and paint with me? Paint this green and you will see a green frog on a green wall, a green dog on a green ball. Will you come and paint with me? Paint this green and you will see
The next part, please read.
a green cow on a green farm.
Read it, Hannah. Read it. Read. A green.
A green owl on a green barn. Green, green, green. I like the color green. Green, green, green. Let's paint everything green.
Very good. So that's the end. Okay. So, Hannah, what can you see on the farm? Can you see a teacher on the farm?
No, I can't. I can't.
No, I can't. No, I cannot, right? Can you see a cow on the farm?
Yes,
Yes.
I can.
Yes. Okay. What can you see in your room?
I can see a table.
Can you see a door?
Yes, I can.
Very good. What can you see at the zoo?
I can see the animals.
The animals. What can you see in the classroom?
I can see a teacher.
Very good. And then, now, do you see numbers everywhere?
Yes,
Where can you see numbers?
I can see number on clock.
On the clock. And do you see numbers on the pages in your book?
Yes,
Good. Do you want to sing I see numbers?
yes.
Please sing.
I see numbers on the clock, on the walls and on the blocks, on the page in my book, numbers everywhere I look.
Very good singing. Please say with me again. On the pages. Okay, on the pages. Say.
On the pages.
Yes, on the pages in my book. Okay, good. Hannah, can you ask me one question about how many? With how many?
How many mouths do you see?
I see two mouths. Another question.
How many teachers do you see?
How many teachers? Again, say again.
How many teachers do you see?
I see one teacher. Good job, Hannah. Okay. The next one, I want you to say a poem. So, which poem do you like in Unit 4? Horse, the rabbit hops, and ostrich. Which one? Do you want to say ostrich?
Mm. Yeah. Hiền vào rồi ạ, Hiền đang phỏng vấn.
Okay, it's okay. So which poem do you like, Hannah?
I like
Do you want to say ostrich or horse or the rabbit hops?
I like the horse.
Horse.
I like
Okay.
horse.
Okay. I will show it now. Okay. So Hannah, please read the poem. Go.
Horse. I saw a big horse on the farm. The horse was standing in the barn.
Good job. Tell me a word with the sound h.
Ha, horse.
Good.
Ha, horse.
Very good. A word with the letter S.
So.
Saw.
So.
Okay.
Standing.
Very good.
Was.
Yes. Z, was. And one more word.
Horse.
Excellent. And now a word with the letter O. Letter O, please.
On. On.
Yes, on. And?
O, horse.
Oh, horse. Good job. Thank you. Great. So, Hannah, where is the horse standing? Where was the horse standing?
The horse was standing in the barn.
And where is the barn?
The barn is in the farm.
On the farm. Thank you, Hannah. Good. And can you see a farmer on the farm?
No, I can't.
Over here. Can you see a farmer on the farm?
Yes.
I can.
Can.
Yes, I can. Good. Okay. And Hannah, do you remember the song Bingo?
Yes.
So, what is the cat's name?
Her name is Missy.
Good. How do you spell Mitzi?
M-I-S-S-Y.
Can you spell your name?
H-A-N-N-A.
Very good. What is my name?
Mm, teacher name is Lana.
Yes, how do you spell my name?
Lana.
Excellent, Hannah. Good. And what does the bee say, Hannah?
Buzz, buzz.
And where do the bees hide?
Hiding. The bees
Hide
hiding
in
in the tree.
in the tree. Do they hide in the beehive?
The beehive hiding away.
Good. So a bee can hide in the hive too. Okay, it's okay. Now it's time to say a story, to talk about a story. So the story that I want to talk with you is the the dancing pig. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So please look at the teacher. And where are the animals in the story, Hannah?
The the animals are on the farm.
On the farm. Okay. Are they in the house or in the barn?
Now
They are
in the barn.
in the barn. Good. Who is sad? Do you remember?
The farmer.
Yes. What is the farmer's name?
Farmer.
Is his name Farmer Green?
Farmer Brown.
Farmer Brown. Okay, good. So who said Farmer Brown is sad? Who said that?
The frog said.
Good job. So, um, what 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 did the what did the chicken do to make the farmer happy?
I may give him an egg.
So the chicken will give him an egg, right? What um, what what will the duck do to make him happy?
The duck is fishing is dinner.
The duck will fix his dinner, right? Thank you. And how about the cat?
I I will fishing a
I,
fish.
okay, the cat will get
We
a
will
fish
get a fish.
for dinner. Good job. And what did the pig do? Sorry, what will the pig do?
The pig will dancing pig.
Will dance. Will dance. Again, the
We
pig
dance.
will dance. Okay. So if your mother is sad, what will you do to make her happy?
Mm,
I
I
will.
I will I will dance and sing.
What song will you sing for her?
I will sing.
I will sing. Will you sing the song Little Bitty Spider?
I will sing. Uh, I
Will sing the
I will
song.
sing. Four little duck.
Four Little Ducks. Okay. Can you sing one part of the song? Please sing.
Yes. Four little ducks go out to play over the hill and far away. Mother duck says, quack, quack, quack. Three little ducks come walking back.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So who made Farmer Brown very happy? Who made Farmer Brown happy?
Animals.
Yes, the animals. And who made Farmer Brown laugh?
Laugh. The dancing pig.
Yes, the dancing pig made he laugh. Okay. And Hannah, have you ever seen a dancing pig?
Now.
Okay, good. Very good, Hannah. And that brings you to the end of the talk today. Thank you, Hannah, for today. And please say goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Hannah. See you.